When you don't have much space to organize, make every inch work extra hard. Take a look at these 14 sneaky storage tricks for a tiny kitchen. Number 1. Look above your range. When you store your pots and cooking utensils above your stovetop, everything you need is always at hand. Number 2. Be narrow-minded. The skinny space between your fridge and the wall is prime real estate for organizing canned goods, and a cute chevron surprise never hurts. Number 3. Choose a hollow island. From the front, this piece looks like your average island, but from the back it's storage central for everything you want, cookbooks, holiday accessories, but never seem to have enough space for. Number 4. Display what you can. Making a wall rack for your platters serves two very important purposes. It creates extra storage, and it doubles as wall art. Number 5. Utilize baskets. Easy-to-grab bins are great for corralling goodies on the tippy-top shelf. Number 6. Regain sink space. Get wet sponges and scrubbers off your countertop by placing them in desk organizers hung on the side of nearby cabinets and ever underutilized space. Number 7. Hang out. Your shelves have two surfaces perfect for organizing kitchen clutter. Place tins and bins on top, and hang mason jars filled with nuts, seeds, and spices underneath. Number 8. Give essentials a lift. Counter space in a small kitchen is a precious thing, and these savvy baskets mean you can keep all your go-to ingredients at the ready without sacrificing your chopping station. Number 9. Conceal and contain. If a bloated pile of grocery store bags is taking over your cabinet space, stuff them into empty tissue boxes for a handy, compact solution. Number 10. Go vertical. A small shipping pallet offers the perfect foundation for shelves for small bottles, hooks for spoons and cups, and a metallic strip for knives. Number 11. Use forgotten spaces. Like the side of your lower cabinets. It's the perfect spot to hang heavy, clunky items that are annoying to store, like colanders or cutting boards. Number 12. Show boxes the door. Get plastic wrap and aluminum foil out of the way by stowing them in a well-hidden magazine file. Number 13. Build a better bench. A breakfast nook bench takes up less space than dining chairs, and works double duty with storage under the seats. Number 14. Use your cabinet doors. Hang your most frequently used cooking utensils, like measuring cups and spoons, if you're a baker, on the back of a cabinet door, instead of cramming them into already full drawers. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.